I, Abhishek Chaudhary, welcome you all guys to my YouTube channel, which is TechyNerves. Right, I know you already know this YouTube channel. It's a great YouTube channel for software developers. Awesome. So now something about Newton School. So they are a great platform which helps you guide to bang a great career in tech. And the best part of it, zero fee till placement. Can you guys say it? No pay until you get placed with a package of 5 lakhs or above. And you can see the screenshot of some of the amazing company that our Newton School has partnered with us. So you can get a chance or to get an interview in any of these companies. And more companies are getting added on.
Okay, so hello everyone. How are you? I think okay. Sorry, like I'm not in like I was in a hope of interaction mood, but okay. Okay, guys. So as you can see, my screen will be making something similar. Like we may make something better, something bad, or we can like on the go we can make something more beautiful as it goes. Okay. So see, we are making a kind of a small portfolio website. Okay. So the things that you will learn. Okay. So now there will be like I can expect two kinds of audience. One who is a bit experienced, and one who is like may just be a BTech student or may not have started coding in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay. So before this course, I want to make there will be at the end of this course there will be several things that will be much clear to you guys. Okay. So the first thing is like suppose you are coding something. The first problem comes. Okay, like suppose I decide a website I want to make like this. What all things I can copy from web? What all things I should write directly? Like there are a lot of things you guys just want to mug up. I want to mug up this thing, I want to mug up that thing. So today I'll show you what things you really should learn, what things you should not learn. You should just go to a web and copy paste it. There are reasons for it. As it comes, I'll be explaining to you. Okay. Okay, guys, just give it a second. I just forgot to put my laptop to charge. Just a second, guys, and then we'll be good to be. Just a second, guys. Yeah, guys. Now I think I'm good to go. Okay. So before starting the portfolio website, we'll discuss about the sections that we have in our website and what all other sections can we have if time permits. Okay. So the first section you can see is a slider. Okay, with a button which can change the image, or there is like if you wait for a few seconds it will automatically change, and how to write text over the image, and how to like see this text that is written is currently changing like what do you say, it's like I'm writing the text, right? Correct. So in this, like how can we have such a kind of animations and all? So we'll pretty much have an idea of like how can we use these animations, how can we put some background pictures. Okay, then we move to a second section. Currently, it's looking dull. We can have a good background if you guys want. Okay, so I have a picture. Okay, instead of my picture, I put a Naruto picture. Okay, in case I hope most of you are familiar with Naruto, it's a popular anime. And something about me then. Okay, you can. I have left a quite space so you can write a whole lot of thing about yourself. Okay, then comes our technical skills. Like see how. Let me reload the page and come here. So guys, when you come for this section for the first time, you'll see this will go on here. Okay, so this number I've given randomly, like this is my skill level. Out of 100, 67, 90, 30, 67, whatever you want, you guys can give. Okay, and then like the different PHP, HTML, MySQL, PHP, and so on. You can give any number of topics you want, like this. Sorry. Okay, so this is not just, this can even rotate. Like what do you say? This can even like, okay, wait, I think I stopped that. Okay, anyway. Okay, I'll make sure that like you can put any number of subjects you want. Currently it's just 4, but there is no restriction to this. And currently, like what do you say, like I was working on this section, and then it was like our time, so I came here directly. So we can have a like get into touch section. We can have some beautiful background, and then get in touch button. When you click on get in touch button, it will open your mail. Okay, so on. Like depends on it will or not always open your Gmail. I have configured it to open Gmail. So basically we'll see how this section works. Okay, so now to code. To code, I'll just share my complete screen, guys. Just a second. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So now I think my complete screen visible, right? Okay. So now, okay. So what code editor do I use? Okay. Okay. Basically, I use this code editor, Visual Code Studio. Okay. So currently it's blank. So we'll make a folder out here and we'll start coding here. So like in case you don't have a Visual Code Studio, I'll guide you each every step where you can download it and not all. Okay. So let's go to Chrome, open it. Let's open a new tab. Let's close this. Let's open another tab and let's name it. Okay. So to open, download Visual Code Studio, just go to Visual Code Studio. Okay. So now here in the Visual Code Studio section, what you guys can see, like this is a second, this is the first link. You most probably you'll get a pop-up, the first link. Okay. So in the Visual Code Studio, just go there. And based on your operating system, it will automatically suggest you. For me, it's Mac, so it will suggest me Mac. You can download it. Once it is installed, pretty much you are good to go. Like there can be some setup, but we will not be going to such setup kind of details. So you are good to go. Okay, once installed, you can just clearly open it here. Okay, I have to keep it moving. Okay. Okay. This your like Visual Code Studio will look something like this. There may be a welcome page, but you can cross it anytime. Okay. Now the next section is here. Like let's make a folder here. So let's suppose. Okay, I'll go to my study section and let's make a folder. And let's make it like a portfolio website. I name it portfolio. Now see, I have made a folder here. So what I can do, like like with Visual Code Studio, you can do this thing. It will be much easier. Like so, let me make it small. Okay, just a second. No problem. Just click here. Just click on Open Folder, and you will go to your study section and open that portfolio folder we just created. That's simple. Okay, now our portfolio is opened. Now you just got a welcome. This you'll get it every time. Too irritating. So, but you can close it. Okay. So now, once this is done, so now this we are set for our coding. Okay. So now you can see, like we'll start with we'll start with the basic setup, because see the things that we need for this website. Okay. Of course, you guys can guess we need HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Apart from this, we have also used Bootstrap. So we don't have to write a lot of CSS code. And also we have used jQuery. So if you're not familiar with jQuery or any of these technologies, I will help you on the way, like as I proceed. Okay, so jQuery is basically, it's a collection of JavaScript, okay, like codes, which will like, if it is not there, we have to write a lot of piece of code. So instead we use jQuery, so we can import something and then we are ready to, like what we are good to go instead of writing those lines of code. Okay, so basically jQuery will help you to reduce the number of line of code. Okay, so I want the setup to be done first. Okay, so to do the setup, I'll be like, what all things I need for my project. First, I'll bring that. Okay, so see, first I want to create, like in this, if you want to create files and folders, it's very easy. Just after the word portfolio, this section, the first tab is called file. So create a file. So first I'll create index.html. Okay. So now I have created an index.html. So now you guys must be familiar, like HTML, just select HTML5 and you'll get a whole bunch of things. Okay. So, okay. So basically I'll explain you line by line, whatever code I'm writing. So basically, what is the use of this doc type HTML? This doc type HTML technically tells the browser what versions of HTML I'm using. Okay, this will tell, like, this is of course very clear. The language we have selected the language as English. Okay. Now there are a lot of things we'll not discuss about meta. So let's remove it. Okay, sorry. Okay. Okay. Now what is the use of this title? Okay. So now let me open this thing. In case, guys, you don't have this option, what do you say? Open with live server, which I assume you will not have when you have downloaded it for first time. Open with live server. So what is the use of live server? Like say if I make some changes here, okay, and I click on save, the web page will be ready for me. I don't have to come here and reload it again. For example, I'll show you. Can you see here the word document is written? Okay. Now what happens? Now let me change the title. So let's give it a title like portfolio website. Click on save. Once you have clicked on save, what will happen? Just go there. Now I did not reloaded it. My portfolio website is ready because this live server, this is here, this will reload it for me automatically whenever I save this page. Okay, so how will you get that? It's quite simple. See, the name is live server. Just go to Google. Okay, I'm already here. Live View Visual Studio. Okay, once you get it, once you say Live View Visual Studio Code or Live Server Visual Studio Code, you'll get a link of it. Just open it and install it. I've already installed it. So whenever you try to install, it will open your Visual Code Studio and the installation will be done. It's pretty much simple. Just a click of a button. That's all.